There's a certain kind of silence that hits deep when you know that you're meant for more, but you find yourself drowning in your own life. And the most terrifying part, you're most likely the only one who can sense it. Just over 8 years ago, my soul echoed that exact cry. I was dying in every way possible, and the only visual evidence was my almost 500-pound body. I didn't wake up the next morning with a perfect plan or a twinkle in my eye. I only knew I needed to survive. So I fought. I cried, I prayed, and I forged. And I chose me over and over again. My name is Carissa Ann, and I'm the founder of Altering Pathways. An over 250-pound weight loss is simply the easiest visual result of what happened next. While I was drowning in that mud, I couldn't see a map, but used my professional background in managing technical corporate systems. I looked back with hindsight, turned it into wisdom, and reverse engineered my survival. What I discovered is that traditional self-help patches fail because they fragment us. Even historical giants like Abraham Maslow left seekers siloed, trapping human needs in a rigid one-way pyramid that his own late-life thinking ultimately evolved past. To bridge this gap, I built the Human Blueprint Matrix, an integrated smart system model that reconfigures human needs across your physical hardware, your mental software, and your soul. At Altering Pathways, we teach you how to harness the absolute laws of physics, the principles of energy, and the psychology of truth to stop managing your symptoms and start achieving true, holistic restoration. When you live intentionally as your authentic self, it does not matter what your external landscape looks like. You will be standing firmly in your purpose. If you are ready to stop cycling in the dark and reclaim your baseline, visit us at alteringpathways.com. Let's step out onto the observation deck together.